Good morning, team. Today, I want to emphasize the importance of punctuality in our profession. Arriving on time demonstrates respect for our colleagues, patients, and the organization.
I agree, Mihira. Being punctual shows professionalism and reliability.
Exactly. When we're punctual, we create a positive work environment and contribute to a smooth workflow. It also helps us maintain a good reputation with our patients and colleagues.
But what if there's unexpected traffic or a personal emergency?
It's important to be prepared for unexpected circumstances. If you're running late, inform your supervisor or team leader as soon as possible. Provide a reasonable explanation and apologize for any inconvenience caused.
How can we improve our time management skills?
Effective time management is key to punctuality. Prioritize tasks, create a schedule, and avoid procrastination. It's also important to take breaks and manage stress to maintain productivity.
Mihira, what are the consequences of being consistently late?
Consistent tardiness can lead to disciplinary action, including warnings or even termination. It can also negatively impact patient care and team morale.
Your question is valid. Mihira, let me explain about the chest discomfort you're experiencing. It's also worth knowing that postoperative chest pain can have other causes that are less serious. For example, since you had laparoscopic surgery, we use gas to inflate your abdomen, and that gas can sometimes irritate your diaphragm and cause referred pain in your chest. It can also just be muscular tension from being in a slightly different position during surgery or afterward. So, there are several reasons why you might have some chest discomfort that aren't related to DVT or PE. Apart from the chest pain, is there anything else concerning you about your recovery at the moment? Any other worries or questions?